Oh my god. So today we do it a little bit different. Today we have a Kubota B6000 and this tractor hasn't run for like 3 or 4 years. We'll now try to start it. I just saw that it became power, so... oh my god. I'm getting too big for these tractors. So I just removed the engine cover. It's very dark inside over here, so I fill it up with water and I will start it. And I just checked the oil and it was all good. So I saw some some water inside the oil filling cap. So I don't know for sure if everything is okay. I just sprayed oil everywhere in this warehouse. Okay, this head gasket is bad. I know for sure this one is not good. It needs to be replaced. How bad can it be? So we will do a completely head gasket replacement, and perhaps the cylinder head is also not in a good condition, so perhaps we need to replace that too. I just forgot to walk with my dog, so I will take the B6000 with me. Oh man, this tractor is very broken. So we will do this today and we will show you some details about this tractor. But first, start replacing the head gasket. The first thing that we will remove is the water plug. So the water will go out of it, or the oil, or whatever it is. I think it's all. This is just combination of all with water, so this is not okay. I tried to remove this one, but this is really stuck, so we need to replace the fuel line at that place. I'll try that later. So for now I hope it will get off a little bit like that. So we have some clearance now. This one can be replaced or can be removed. We have this one over here. Okay.
Most of the time I hate these things, but I think this one is easy to remove. Like that.
This is the valve opener, so if you want to start a tractor more easy, if it is cold, you can put this one open or closed, so the tractor will start easily. If it's running, please close it again. It's like 10, like that.
I don't think there's water inside the engine. All the oil was just in the radiator.
Like this. Now can remove the valve cover. Whoa, there's a lot of water in it. There's a lot of water in this engine. Okay, so this is not good. This is all water. Now we'll remove this plate above the exhaust.
Like that. I can remove this one and remove. Come on.
30mm socket. like a few seconds ago, this one is completely rusted. So there has been such a lot of water inside this engine. So I hope the damage is not too big, because the tractor has stayed a long time in the garage and perhaps the cylinder liner is completely rusted. So we will see that after we remove the cylinder head. Now we will remove the rocker cover, or the valve. They're very dirty with water. It's just very spongy with water and all. Like this. Now we will remove these. Please just keep them always in the same center, so you know for sure it will be in the same direction. Okay, like this. And like this. So this tractor does not have a water pump. This has a different system. It works with cold water and hot water in the upper and the side of the radiator. This is just so funny. It always falls on the ground, of course. Here, it's always the same. This is of course the alternator. Just tap it very easy, very softly. And now it's free. Come on, you little bastard. I will drop it here because otherwise I need to remove all the cables. And of course, again, there's so much sludge. We will remove the head bolts. Always maintain and just following some certain cue. That's very important. So far it's not the hardest job to do. These come out without any problem. The injectors, there's a lot of water. Oh god, there's a lot of water. There's a lot of water. Continue removing the head bolts. I was here. Just try to remove this. A little bit like that. This truck smells like pigs. I don't know why, but... Okay, so that's over there. Just... Oh god. Okay, it's full of water. It's just full of water. So can we see where it had leaked? No, we do not. Oh god, it's bad. This is all water. We need to clean this and then we will check if there's any damage on this engine. So if you're having problems getting these head bolts out, you can just put on 2 screws, or bolts, sorry. We used a new cylinder head because the other one was cracked. So this is not a rebuild, this is just a new one we sell in our shop. Now we can reinstall the bolts, drip them with oil. Like that. Like that. Then we go to B. Then we go to C. So now we will finish it, and yeah, same direction, 17/8, like this, A, B, reinstall this tube. So we reinstalled the radiator and it's just for a few minutes, then we will try to start it again. And I hope then everything is okay.